Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Jocy here. On today's video, I am so excited because we are going to do some unboxing today. You know, it's Christmas, it's New Year, and if you're quite away from the Philippines, then I know something that you will be missing definitely, and that is this karaoke. Well, it is not the same as the karaoke you know in the Philippines, but at least it should find its way to your heart to feel that missing part. Maybe just a little bit. So it comes in this package. I got it from Tchibo for $24, or I should say 24 euros and 99 cents. It says karaoke microphone, and this is Bluetooth connected as well, which means you could search karaoke songs from YouTube, sing along with it using this microphone, and it should work as a microphone and at the same time as a speaker. So we're going to unbox it now. I have a scissor with me already just to make it sure that I could open it. Oops. So we'll see. I hope I like it. I already got one like this, but I sent it to the Philippines and I don't have anything with me anymore. So the package looks like this. There is this styro thing on top of it, maybe to assure that it will not be damaged. And then, oops, okay, I think that's it. Then you could just simply slide it out. What is it? Going to slide it out. Oh, that's nothing. Now, this is already the package. And it comes with cables. Let's just open the cable first. So the cable look like this. There's two cables. One is this one, I bet, for charging. Well, I am the type of person who will open the package and just try it as it is, because most of the time electronic gadgets right now are self-explanatory. So I don't really read the manual directly. Maybe later on, if I don't know anymore what to do, then that is the time that I am reading the manual. I'm not sure if you're like that. So my husband is listening to me and like looking at me and finding it weird, me speaking in front of the camera. But anyway, I like what I'm doing and I wanted to show you now how excited I am. So this is the for the audio, and I'm not sure what exactly that is. Maybe for the connection of your MP3 or for your smartphone. Now going back to the microphone itself, it says there is this for the mic volume, for the echo, and for the volume itself. Maybe this is for the music, and there is forward, or I should say backward and forward. Well, I could imagine that if you are playing a track, then you could go forward or go backward to the next track, or go backward to the fourth track, whatever. And then, well, we need to figure it out first. And there is a spot for you to put your smartphone. So I am going to use my husband's smartphone for me to do the testing. I will not break it, I promise. Oops. Because you are going to like listen and at the same time read the lyrics from your smartphone. So it is facing in front of you, and then we gotta turn it on. Let's see.
Power on.
Power
Bluetooth.
on. Bluetooth. That's it. Hello. Let's go down to the echo. Hello. Hello. There's no echo, so I just bring down the volume of the echo. Hello. the volume of the microphone, so there's wouldn't be any volume at all. And hello? Oh, okay. So this is also the volume of the music, I believe. So let's see how simple that is. Like what I've said, I'm using the smartphone of my husband without his permission. But I think he would be fine with that. Oh my God, I don't know how to navigate.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Let's see. Okay, whatever. Hi, YouTube. Where's your Bluetooth? Here you go. Okay. So I'm trying to find.
Powering off.
Oh, did I just turn it off? Sorry. Let me turn it on again.
Power on.
Power on.
Bluetooth.
And then, so I could see it already. Its name here is TCM. So I believe TC for Tchibo, the name of the store, and M for microphone, 381684. It's connected. Okay, yes, connected.
Connected.
Huh? Can you hear it? Connected. Now we gotta play some music.
Bye, have a great
Your
time.
cell phone is crazy. Let me figure it out first, guys, because like what I've said, this is my husband's cell phone, and I don't really know how to. I think I was able to figure out how to do it. Okay, now I'm going to pick a song, and we'll give it a try. Tonight's the night we're gonna make it happen. I don't think I could sing, but you know what I mean. Stop it now. So at least I have shown you guys that it is working, and hopefully this is helpful for you, and you might be interested to buy it. It is still on sale currently at Tchibo. Apart from that, the good thing about it, let me turn it off first, okay?
Powering off.
Powering off. The good thing about it is it has like a USB connector. Here it is. There is an option for you to insert the memory card. You don't want to disturb other people because you don't know how this, or it is so loud, the music, I believe. Then you could just wear your headphones. There is this audio jack where you could insert the audio jack in it. And this is like for the charging. This is a spot where you could charge it. So again, this is for the USB. This is for the memory card. This is for your audio jack. And this is for charging. And it has different buttons. Now, there's also manual included in it. Like what I've said, I'm the type of person who's reading the manual before opening the gadget. Normally, I'm just using it, and if I don't know how to use it anymore, then that is the only time that I'm using or reading the manual. It is available in German, English, and this one I don't know, micro di karaoke, maybe Spanish. No, Sherry cliente, share client. What language that is that? This is maybe French. You need to tell me which language is that. That one is a different language. This is also a different language. Another 3 more different languages. Okay. See? That one. And this one. Lastly. Okay, this is the end of the video, and I will be surely enjoying this karaoke microphone. Hope you guys you like it, and if you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave your comment down below. If you have any question, feel free to leave your comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye. genervt.
Was ist das für Musik?
Was ist das für ein Muss?